Most of us associate lemons and citrus fruits with vitamin C, but that's not all they have to offer. They're low in sugar. Lemons contain everything from vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin E, folate, niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid to minerals like calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. They even contain more potassium than apples or grapes. Lemon health benefits go beyond vitamins and minerals. Lemon juice has antibacterial and antiviral properties and can be a digestive health aid. Some people find that lemon water benefits in the morning extend to weight loss, clearer skin, and even a clearer mind. Following are the benefits of drinking lemon water every morning.
For today's video, we're going to talk about 7 ways how your body will get the best benefits from drinking lemon water. Lemon water is all the rage these days. Many restaurants serve it routinely, and some people start their day with lemon water instead of coffee or tea. There are no doubts lemons are delicious, but does adding them to water make you healthier? How about warm water? Much of the evidence supporting lemon water's health benefits is anecdotal. Little scientific research has been done, especially on lemon water, but research exists on the benefits of lemon and water separately. So here are 7 ways your body may benefit from lemon water. Number 1, it promotes hydration. According to the Food and Nutrition Board, general guidance says that women should get at least 91 ounces per day and men should get at least 125 ounces. And this includes water from food and drinks. Water is the best beverage for hydration, but some people don't like the taste of it on its own. So adding lemon enhances water's flavor, which may help you drink more. Number 2, it's a good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lemons are high in vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. You've probably heard that vitamin C may help prevent or limit the duration of the common cold in some people, but studies are conflicting. Vitamin C may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke, and lower your blood pressure. While lemons don't top the list of citrus fruits high in vitamin C, they're still a good source. According to the United States Department of Agriculture trusted source, the juice of 1 lemon provides about 18.6 milligrams of vitamin C. The recommended daily amount for adults is 65 to 90 milligrams. Number 3, it supports weight loss. Research has shown that polyphenol antioxidants found in lemons significantly reduce weight gain in mice that are overfed in order to reduce obesity. In these mice studies, the antioxidant compounds also offset the negative effects on blood glucose levels and improve insulin resistance, the 2 main factors in the development of type 2 diabetes. While the same results need to be proven in humans, anecdotal evidence is strong that lemon water supports weight loss. Whether this is due to people simply drinking more water and feeling full for the lemon juice itself is unclear. Number 4, it improves your skin quality. Vitamin C found in lemons may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging, and damage from the sun. How water improves skin is controversial, but one thing is certain. If your skin loses moisture, it becomes dry and prone to wrinkles. A 2016 laboratory study showed that a citrus-based drink helped prevent the development of wrinkles in hairless mice. Number 5, it aids digestion. Some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. Ayurvedic medicine says that the sour lemon taste helps stimulate your agni. In Ayurvedic medicine, a strong agni jumpstarts the digestive system, allowing you to digest food more easily and helping to prevent the buildup of toxins. Number 6, it freshens breath. Have you ever rubbed a lemon on your hands to get rid of the smell of garlic or some other strong odor? Same folk remedy may apply to bad breath caused by eating foods with strong smells such as garlic, onions, or fish. You might avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning. Lemon is thought to stimulate saliva, and water also helps prevent a dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath caused by bacteria. Number 7, it helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Drinking lemon water not only gets you citrate, but also the water you need to help prevent or flush out stones. Alright, we'll teach you how to make lemon water. In order to reap any health benefits of lemon water, you need to drink it consistently. And you need more than just a single wedge of lemon in your mug. When making lemon water, always use fresh lemons rather than artificial lemons from a bottle. To make a lemon water, squeeze half of a lemon into 8 ounces of warm or cold water. To make the drink as healthy as possible, use filtered water and organic lemons. Infuse more flavor or add health boost to lemon water by adding a few sprigs of mint, a teaspoon of maple syrup, a raw honey, a slice of fresh ginger, a dash of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of turmeric. You can also add slices of other fresh citrus fruits such as limes and oranges or maybe cucumber. And always wash the produce well before slicing and using. Having a lemon ice cubes on hand is a great way to add lemon to your water fast. Simply squeeze the fresh lemon juice into the ice cube trays and then freeze. Drop a few cubes into a glass of cold or hot water as needed. You can start your morning with a mug of warm lemon water and keep a pitcher of water infused with a few slices of lemons in your refrigerator. This is for you to drink throughout the day. Next, the side effects of lemon water. Lemon water is generally safe to drink, but there are a few potential side effects to be aware of. Lemon contains citric acid, which may erode tooth enamel. To limit the risk, drink lemon water through a straw and rinse your mouth with a plain water afterwards. When it comes to heartburn, lemon water can go either way. The citric acid may cause heartburn in some people. Others experience relief from heartburn as lemon juice becomes alkaline, reducing acidity and digestion. Only experimenting can tell its effect on you. Some people report more frequent trips to the bathroom when drinking lemon water. Although vitamin C is often believed to be diuretic, something that increases the amount of urine you produce, evidence doesn't show that vitamin C from natural sources like lemons has diuretic effects. If you experience the need for extra bathroom breaks while drinking lemon water, it's more than likely caused by increased water intake. Alright, the takeaway. Research shows lemon water has many potential health benefits. Aside from those, adding lemon to your water may help you drink more throughout the day and keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is critical to good health, so lemon water is pretty much a win-win. Alright, that's the end of our topic. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a like, and hitting that notification bell to get the latest upload from us.